In today's video, you'll learn how to connect PayPal to Botrix so you can receive donations during your live streams. If you stream on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, setting this up allows viewers to support you directly while you're live. Before connecting anything, the first step is preparing your PayPal account. It's strongly recommended to use a PayPal business account instead of a personal one. A business account helps protect your privacy because it prevents your personal name and email address from being shown to donors. Once your PayPal account is ready, open your browser and go to the Botrix website. Log in using the streaming platform you normally use. Botrix allows you to sign in with platforms such as Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, so choose the one connected to your stream. After logging in, look at the profile on the left side of the dashboard. Find the section labeled Payments or Donations. This is where you manage how viewers send money during your streams. Inside the payment settings, choose PayPal as your payment provider. Then enter the email address connected to your PayPal business account. Once you save the settings, Botrix will link your PayPal account so donations can be sent directly to you. Next, you'll want to set up donation alerts. Alerts are important because they notify you and your viewers when someone donates during the stream. To do this, go to the Widgets section inside Botrix. Here you can customize things like the donation alert box and even a donation goal bar. These widgets allow you to show messages, animations, or progress bars whenever someone supports your stream. After customizing your widget, Botrix will give you a special widget URL. Copy this link. Now open your streaming software, such as OBS. Add a new browser source and paste the widget link you copied. This will display the donation alerts directly on your live stream whenever someone sends a tip. One more helpful tip. If you want another way for viewers to support you, you can also create a direct PayPal donation link and place it in your profile description or stream panels. Once everything is set up, your audience will be able to donate easily, and you'll see real-time alerts while you're live. And that's how you connect PayPal to Botrix and enable donations for your stream. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.